Experience effortless pool maintenance with a reliable cleaning solution designed for budget-conscious homeowners. The best pool vacuum for the money delivers strong suction, easy operation, and dependable performance, helping you keep your pool spotless without overspending or dealing with complicated equipment. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Zyerch Waterline Pool Vacuum. The Zyerch Waterline Pool Vacuum is built for pool owners who want a deep, reliable clean across the entire pool surface, from floors to walls and especially the waterline. Powered by a strong 180W brushless motor, it delivers 4,800 GPH suction that lifts heavy debris such as small stones, twigs, and leaves with ease. It performs just as well on fine particles like sand, scum buildup, and tile line residue, making it ideal for pools surrounded by trees or exposed to windy conditions. With its 4-in-1 cleaning modes, floor, wall, waterline, and all cover, users can adapt the cleaning cycle to match the pool's shape and condition. Its lithium battery provides up to 180 minutes of continuous operation and recharges in about 3 hours, offering enough runtime to clean pools up to 2,100 square feet. The navigation system combines gyroscope guidance with N-path and S-path route planning, ensuring efficient coverage without random wandering. Its 4WD traction, upgraded motors, and PVC brushes allow it to move across tile, vinyl, pebble, glass, and mosaic surfaces without slipping. Capable of climbing slopes up to 30 degrees, it handles uneven surfaces and tricky corners in both above-ground and in-ground pools. Durable tracks and strong traction ensure the unit stays steady even on inclined surfaces. Number 2. Enhulk T403 Pool Vacuum. The Enhulk T403 Pool Vacuum is designed for quick, powerful spot cleaning and full pool maintenance, offering strong suction and highly versatile operation. Built with a robust motor, it delivers a flow rate of up to 18.5 gallons per minute, making it effective at removing stubborn debris such as acorns, leaves, twigs, sand, and dirt. This makes it a valuable tool for pool owners who need fast cleanup without dealing with hoses, cords, or heavy robotic systems. The T403 includes 2 interchangeable brush heads, a triangular suction nozzle for broad coverage, and a nose cone head for tight areas. This versatility allows the user to thoroughly clean steps, corners, walls, and other hard-to-reach spots in above-ground pools, in-ground pools, hot tubs, and spas. It features 2 cleaning methods, handheld mode for direct control and telescopic pull mode that extends from 35.8 to 87.5 inches, giving access to deeper areas without getting into the water. Operation is simple. Attach a handle, power on, submerge the unit, and vacuum as needed. The filter screen is removable and easy to clean, and the entire system assembles without tools. With 5 rechargeable 2,000 mAh lithium batteries, the Enhulk T403 provides up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime and fully recharges in only 1.5 hours. Number 3. Zodiac MX6 Pool Vacuum. The Zodiac MX6 Pool Vacuum is a compact yet powerful suction side cleaner designed for homeowners who want automated cleaning without upgrading their existing pool equipment. It connects directly to a dedicated suction line or the pool skimmer and uses the pool's existing filtration system to collect debris. Its cyclonic turbine generates strong downforce and efficient suction, while the X-Trax tires provide excellent traction for navigating floors, corners, and walls. When properly calibrated, the unit can climb walls reliably to remove dirt and debris that often accumulate above the waterline. The MX6 features X-Drive navigation, a hydraulic system that drives internal gears to guide the cleaner in a systematic pattern, ensuring thorough coverage rather than random movement. This improves overall efficiency and reduces missed spots, especially in medium and large in-ground pools. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, it works well with variable speed pumps and lower flow rates, making it ideal for modern pool systems. Setup is straightforward. Users simply connect the hoses, adjust the flow control valve, and let the cleaner go to work. With fewer electronics than robotic cleaners, the MX6 offers long-term reliability with minimal maintenance. Number 4. WYBOT Waterline Pool Vacuum. The WYBOT Waterline Pool Vacuum is an advanced robotic cleaner designed to tackle every major surface of an in-ground pool, including floors, walls, steps, and the waterline. Its triple-motor design offers excellent climbing strength and reliable traction on slopes up to 45 degrees, allowing it to clean areas many robots struggle to reach. Equipped with an upgraded water pump motor, it delivers stronger suction for picking up sand, leaves, algae, dirt, and other debris. Dual PVC brushes maintain firm grip on surfaces and work effectively on tile, glass, and mosaic finishes. Intelligent Navigation 3.0 enhances route efficiency, using high-precision sensors to map the pool's shape and follow optimized S-paths for floors and N-paths for walls. Through the connected app, users can customize cleaning routes, activate Auto Smart Mode, or monitor cleaning status, adding convenience and control. Maintenance is simple thanks to the large top-load filter basket with a 180-micron mesh that captures fine debris and rinses clean in seconds. With a runtime of 120 to 150 minutes, the WYBOT Waterline Vacuum is ideal for pools up to 1,614 square feet, offering long and consistent cleaning cycles. Number 5. AIPER Scuba X1 Pool Vacuum. The AIPER Scuba X1 Pool Vacuum is engineered for powerful, full-coverage robotic cleaning, delivering superior suction and advanced navigation for pools of nearly any shape. With 6,600 GPH suction and dual jets, it removes fine sand, pebbles, and dirt more efficiently than many single-jet competitors. Its Waveline 2.0 technology provides consistent waterline scrubbing, eliminating grease and buildup along the pool's upper perimeter, a task many cleaners neglect. The upgraded battery system increases runtime by up to 25%, allowing extended operation on sloped, flat, or diamond-bottom pools. Even on demanding surfaces with angles up to 45 degrees, the Scuba X1 maintains strong performance. Adaptive navigation and an enhanced cross-pattern cleaning system allow the robot to intelligently adjust its path, avoid obstacles, and clean bowl-shaped or irregular pools with precision. Its multi-layer filtration captures debris as small as 3 microns, ensuring exceptionally clean water by trapping fine particles that standard filters often miss. The micro-mesh ultra-fine filter basket supports daily maintenance, making each cleaning cycle more effective. Wireless charging adds to the convenience. Simply place the unit on its charging dock, eliminating the need for cable plugging or manual port alignment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.